You just moved to a new city. You're late for a meeting, trying to catch a bus, or heading to meet a friend. You step outside, call an auto, and suddenly everyone's speaking in Kannada. The driver, the conductor, even the guy giving directions, and you're just standing there staring at the Google Maps, completely lost. Now imagine this. Instead, you ask clearly, understand the reply, and get where you need to go without the panic. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say to get around the city confidently and maybe even impress a few locals while you're at it. Welcome to Airlearn Kannada. I'm Bhumi, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಹುಡುಗಿ, and I'll help you go from ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ to got it. We'll keep it simple, practical, and fun. If you want to hear these sentences spoken clearly or practice them whenever you have a few minutes, the Airlearn app is really handy. It's got the phrases broken down, audio you can repeat, and quick exercises that make it easier to actually use Kannada in real life without any stress. Here are some easy phrases that will save you on the street. Station yellide. Where is the station? Bus stop yellide. Where is the bus stop? ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು? Where do you want to go? ಈ ರೋಡ್ ಸರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? Is this the right road? ಈ ಬಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ? Where does this bus go? ಈ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ದಾರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? Is there a different way to this place? Here is a small tip. When asking directions, always add ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು, which means please, at the end of any sentence. This can instantly change the mood of the person you're asking help with. These sentences make your auto or cab rides so much smoother. Auto ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ? Will this auto go? ಎಷ್ಟು? How much? ನಾನು MG ರೋಡ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. I want to go to MG road. ಬನ್ನಿ, come, ಹೋಗಿ, go, ಬಲಗಡೆ, right side, ಎಡಗಡೆ, left side. Combine bani or hogi with balagade or yedagade to guide your driver easily. For example, balagade hogi, go right. Next, let me help you with some traveling phrases to use in public transport. Next stop, yelli. Where is the next stop? Ee bus yell hogutte. Which way does this bus go? Nanage swalpa kannada gottu. I know a little Kannada. Ee bus MG road ge hogutta? Does this bus go to MG road? Illi nillu, stop here. Nanu ilibeka? Should I get off here? Even saying nanage swalpa kannada gottu helps. People instantly switch to simpler Kannada or help you out. Once you book your ride, here's how to sound confident on the phone. Neevu yellidira? Where are you? Nanu illi wait ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. I am waiting here. ನನಗೆ ನೀವು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. I can't see you. ನಾನು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I'll pay online. ಎಷ್ಟು? How much? ಆಯ್ತು. Done. Short, clear and polite. That's all you need. Let's try a short conversation together. When you're asking for directions, station ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಇದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ಈ ಬಸ್ MG ರೋಡ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ? ಹೌದು, ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಳಿಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲು. During auto rides, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು? ನಾನು MG ರೋಡ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು? 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ಸರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. While calling the driver, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ನಾನು ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, which means I am near the signal. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. I am waiting here. ನಾನು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. I'll pay online. ಆಯ್ತು, done. Keep practicing to get more confident with the language. And on Airlearn, practical usage of Kannada is emphasized, so doing daily lessons will help you learn and master the language quickly. I hope with the phrases I taught you, now getting around the city won't be stressful. With just a few phrases, you can ask, understand, and respond confidently. These sentences are your little travel toolkit for everyday life in Karnataka. Use them often and you'll notice people respond with more warmth and respect. ಬೇಗ ಸಿಗೋಣ. See you soon.